In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Peacock account. Step 1. Visit NBC Universal Privacy Portal. Open a web browser and go to NBC Universal Individual Rights Request Portal. Step 2. Submit a deletion request. Click the Delete My Information button. Select Peacock from the brand dropdown. Enter your name, registered email and location. Step 3. Complete verification and submit. Complete the CAPTCHA, agree to the terms and click Submit to send your request. If you are outside of the US, email privacy@nbcuni.com with your request. Step 4. Await confirmation. NBC Universal may take several weeks to process your request. Watch for a confirmation email. Step 5. Remove authorizations and data. Delete the Peacock app authorizations on all devices, clear cookies and revoke social logins for better privacy. Now I have some tips and privacy. Account deletion is irreversible, or account data will be removed. If there is no reply in 30 days, follow up via email. Consider alternatives like downgrading or adjusting privacy settings. And that's how you permanently delete your Peacock account. Remember that after you've done this, you cannot change it. Thanks for watching, subscribe.